welcome back to my channel. This is your girl ASIAANDREAAA, back with another video, giving you a quick little quarantine, a lockdown makeup tutorial. So what I want to call this look is giving me house arrest bracelet on safety precautions with glam. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and also like this video and comment down below if you are feeling this look, because my god I am. Okay, do you feel me? And if you are already a subscriber, hey boo, hey cousin, what's poppin'? So without further ado, if you would like to see how I got this look, please continue to watch. So first, I'm going to take my Morphe 35A palette in the color Mousse. And I'm going to gently pack it all over my lid, as you can see here. And with that same brush, without using any more product, I'm going to just buff out the edges of our black eyeshadow here. Just because I do not want any harsh lines with this look, because it's a soft, you know, sultry smoky eye. So no harsh lines, ladies. Please buff, 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 blend, blend, blend. So I'm gonna then go into this color in the same palette. The name of this color is called Cut Crease, as you can see. I'm going to go over where I've buffed out the black eyeshadow, and I'm gonna take this brown eyeshadow and just effortlessly blend it into the black. This will be my transition color. Usually I start with my transition shade and then I will go in with the lid color, but today I decided to go backwards just because I'm working with black and I really wanted to make sure that the black was pigmented enough. Here you'll see me applying concealer. I'm going to use this concealer as my base. When working with neon light colors or any bright or pastel colors, you always want to make sure that you set a nice clean base, and by using concealer, that will help you create a clean palette for the color to have to give off as much as pigmentation as possible. Please forgive me, guys. I did not show the palette where I got this green from, but it is from my Morphe 35B palette. And it's just the brightest lime green color. Next, I'm going to take my glitter primer by NYX, and I'm going to gently pat this over the black eyeshadow more towards the bottom. Next, I'm going to take this gorgeous glitter by e.l.f. in Bronze Comet, and I'm going to switch fingers, dip my finger into the glitter, and then just sparsely, lightly pack on the color. At first, I did not want it to look so packed on because it's much finer than what I expected. I don't know why I expected it to be in the form of a chunky glitter. That's what I was really hoping for. But this is nice. It's more natural, I guess. Just like that. Oh my gosh, guys, you guys have no idea how long I've always wanted to do that. But anyway, if you like this look, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you later.